We have been steam ironing your clothing for you, different materials, different styles. And here we have a pair of men's dress pants that we didn't happen to have the other that would hold a pant. So we're going to do it this way because you may not have those kind of hangers either. We're just going to freshen this up. It needs just a little bit of wrinkles taken out that have been caused by hanging out in the closet, being pushed up against other clothes. We're going to go for the pleat in the front, the seam, and then we're going to freshen right around the pockets and around the back. And on the side seams there, just to stretch them out again. And then we'll go under here on the side and get this area. I know you're wondering, well, aren't I making another crease up there where the hangers and the fold is? Well, I'm trying not to, but if I were to have, I would just change the position of the pant, make sure it's nice and stretched out, and then I would hit that area and try and stay away from the top. But it's one way to hit the areas that you have missed. Okay, nice and fresh. You're ready to put these on and go somewhere and look fresh. In our next segment, you'll see me doing one more garment, a completely different material and a completely different thing to be ironing. The part will be mysterious to you, I'm sure.